Greg, what about cloud security? We talked about this a little bit. I mean, what should companies think in terms of cloud security, and what's a tool, for that?
Yeah, it's interesting. I'm actually shocked that we're this far into the conversation, and this is the first time security's come up. It's usually one of the the top concerns and challenges that customers have, and it's an area that Akamai has been really laser focused on for the last couple of years. So there are really, we think, multiple approaches that organizations need to take when thinking about how to secure their applications that they're delivering either on-premise or from the cloud, and we kind of espouse this defense in depth approach. One of the unique things from an Akamai perspective that we're trying to help customers think more about is thinking outside of the confines of the data center itself, right? So a lot of organizations spend most of their time thinking about planning for and architecting the aspects of the application, including the security layer, but all those application layers that live within the four walls of a data center. And what is absent there is thinking about what happens when you flip the switch and turn this application on and go to deliver it out over the internet to your global users. So one of the things we've done is actually developed a security solution that allows organizations to identify and detect security threats out on the network before those threats ever get to the data center, which is a really interesting approach for folks to think about not only how do you extend that security perimeter out of the data center, but then also how do you think about the ability to deploy security solutions that are holistic across your application portfolio, so not tied to a physical box that lives within one cloud provider environment or one data center. So having a single security solution that can span across cloud providers. The other unique thing that the customers are telling us is really important to them, and one of the reasons that they're increasingly looking to Akamai when it comes to security, is the ability to have security solutions that instantly move with the application or workload when it moves, right? So thinking about having to actually go in and perform some aspect of the application move that takes the security solutions and does, a DNS record change or whatever it is to make sure that it works when they move that application to a different environment is concerning. Mistakes, right? There's an opportunity for there to be a miss or a mistake versus a solution that dynamically moves in real time with the workload. So I think there's a lot more innovation left to be made in the kind of cloud security space at large, but it's certainly an area that customers are increasingly looking to us, and we've had a lot of fun and a lot of success helping customers over the last few years.